one of the big moves that we've seen auto insurance companies make is giving back a portion of premiums to their customers. A big reason driving this is the fact that we're just driving so much less now as more people work from home and telecommute due to the coronavirus pandemic, and as offices encourage this, we're on the road a lot less. One statistic that AAA gave out was the number of number of calls for roadside assistance were down more than 22%, which is the lowest they've had in about 5 years. So it's one sign of just how less we're driving. And as a result, auto insurance companies are seeing far fewer claims. Obviously, the less we're driving, the less likelihood that we'd get in an accident. And as a result of that, a lot of the insurers are looking at it as an opportunity to give back to their customers, which is why a lot of them might be seeing on their bills a reduced price in their policy.
There is a lot there. You're also saying that insurance companies understand that financial hardship is real, because what we covered in the other sections, like people are calling, they're playing ball. Help us get into exactly who is offering refunds and credits. It's quite a list.
Yes, a lot of them top insurers across the country are offering discounts right now, including Allstate, State Farm, Progressive, Geico. A lot of the top insurers across the country have been offering some form, and a lot of that will vary depending on who your insurer is. The range that I'm seeing is between 15 to 25% off of your premium. And also the timing in which you might see that varies. Some insurers have already offered those discounts, so a lot of their customers might be seeing those benefits right now. Others might be seeing it as early as June. So it really just varies depending on your insurance company. The best thing you can do is, if you're not sure, just give them a call and they can confirm for you whether you will get some sort of discount. But it looks like for a lot of customers, they should see a lot of those benefits applied automatically. So you don't have to fill out a form or register for anything to get that. It's automatically done. But it never hurts to call and just confirm kind of what to expect and how much you might be getting back.
And you were saying that generally you should see these things by the end of the month if you do qualify.
Yeah, for many companies, it's the end of the month or even earlier than that. And then in other cases, it might be closer toward June.
Awesome. So this sounds like a little bit of good news where we can call to confirm, but otherwise you should just be able to check your bank statement or check your email and probably have gotten a little bit of good news from your car insurance, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Just check your insurance policy and your bill for your insurance, and it should spell out pretty clearly whether you were able to get some of your premium back.
Awesome. Brent, I have one more question for you. We were talking about whether or not this is going to be a permanent change, because for so many of us, how far we drive to work, as well as the car we drive and the neighborhood we live in, those are some of the factors that go into how much we pay for our car insurance. And I know, at least at our company, they've said, well, you can plan to be working from home for several more months. So do you see this as being an even bigger factor in how we get car insurance in the future?
Well, I think it's going to be something that a lot of people will want to think about as they update their insurance policy. When it comes time to renew, if you find yourself in a position where you're going to be working from home a lot more often, that could potentially factor into you getting a policy that is more cost effective and is going to save you some money. It's one of several factors that a lot of the insurance companies use to determine just how much your rate's going to be. And if you know for certain, because you're telecommuting from home now and you feel like that's something you're going to be doing in the next 6 months to a year or beyond, it might be a good time to revisit your insurance policy and talk with your insurer to find out if there's an opportunity there to lower your rate.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.